Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that reading may give you clarity or may give you answers for some circumstances you are seeing in your life today, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Sun, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Pentacles in reverse. So Libras, with these cards, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you have a good job, things are you have things happening as you had wished for, and maybe you are in an important job and you have your expected returns in your career situation, guys, or in your personal life, in your relationship. You are with the person you love, but there are certain things happening today that is not what you like. So for some of you, some opportunities may be lost in your work, some delays, suspensions in your work situation, guys, or in your relationship with this person you love. Maybe there are some things that you may not understand, guys, with this person. There is some misunderstanding with this person you love. So this person is not telling you something, or they are not having honest intentions towards you. So something is not right, and maybe they are not open about it, or they don't want to talk about what they feel in your relationship, guys. So this person does not want to tell, does not want to speak, but they are hiding something. They are hiding some secrets, and you can feel that, you know, in your heart of hearts, they are holding back. They are not telling you something, and you can just feel that. But maybe for some of them, they are scared whether you will leave them, or something bad may happen if they tell you the truth. So for some of you, you are getting guys, an important news or a message in your love. So something may reach you, some kind of a news may reach you, and whatever you feared, or whatever you never expected, this news from this person, but they are telling you something, or they are sending you a message. For some of you, it may be a bad message, Libras. That is what I see. But I also see that whatever it is, guys, you may have some troubles, but it is going to resolve, because this card here, it's a very positive card. So you may have troubles, but this person will come to an understanding, or you will understand their situation. So even in your career, guys, Libras, whatever difficulties you are seeing today, maybe some delays, suspension, something may not be right, or you may get some written cancellation of some projects or assignments, whatever it is, all your difficulties are changing today, guys, Libras. So you will understand, you will have clarity in your relationship, and things are going to be better very soon in your career situation also, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says juniper tree, deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life, we are often see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life. Live each moment and fully experience the present moment. So simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around, or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So, even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.